Anytime.
All right. You know, Hank's Beverages, you know, they've been now around 25 years. Small company, a growing company out of Philadelphia. I've tried a number of their products, but I haven't tried this one yet. This is a black cherry soda. And you know, I do like the black cherry soda, especially when you have like the soda from, of course, Dr. Brown. But we'll see how Hank's measures up, you know. Hank's, I've never seen Hank's in a can. They come in classic glass bottles. A small company, you know, that's what they like doing. They like having these small companies. And most of the products I've tried is pretty good. This is a special black cherry. This is black cherry Wishniak, which is a special type of cherry. Well, let's see if this dog can help open up the lid. Good dog. Now let's see how this tastes. Brand, boom, 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 boom. That's delightful.
You all right, Frank?
Wrong pipe. But this is delightful. You know, when it goes down the wrong pipe, now goes up in your nose. It's fully running my brain right now, but it's still delightful. 8.6.
Almost went down the wrong pipe again. Oh wow, you chugged that.
Delicious.
All right, got it?
Yes.